Namaste and good morning, students. Here we are on grade FM for grade 5 English subject. It's our second day, and this day we are going to learn reading comprehension from our textbook. You can just listen to me, but here I have used some more photos. Here are some more photos. A photo of a very old man. He looks very sad, and he is thinking of his potato garden. He wants to plant them in his plant the potatoes in his potato garden for rainy season. The same. You can see another photo. We can see another photo. There is a boy in the prison. That's the old man's son. And the final photo is a photograph of policemen. We can see there. Now here, before reading the text, I would like to show you some more questions. I mean, here you are listening to me. I am going to read some more questions. Please. Here I am going to read the first question. The first question is, what is the name of the old man's son? What is the name of the old man's son? The first question. While we will go through the text, we will find the answer of this question. The second question is, will the old man dig the potato garden himself? The first question is once again, what is the name of the old man's son? As in, the second question is, will the old man dig the potato garden himself? The third question is, will the boy help his father or not? And the final question is, if yes, how will the boy help his father? आदरणीय अभिभावकज्यूहरू, हजुरहरू यदि आफ्नो बालबच्चाको साथमा हुनुहुन्छ भने कक्षा 5 को अंग्रेजी विषयको युनिट 1 मा रहेको रिडिङ टेक्स्ट सँगै बालबच्चा सँगै रहेर बालबच्चाहरूलाई पढ्न सहयोग गरिदिनु हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु. I am just going to read the text loudly here. Please listen to me. Dear students, the lesson is like so. An old man lived alone in a village. Here alone means with no friends or separately. He is alone means he lives with himself. He has no friends. He wanted to dig his potato garden, but it was very hard work for him because he was very old. Exactly, the old man was not alone, but his only one son was not with him, so he had become alone, lonely, and he wanted to dig potato garden, but it was very hard work for him because he was very, very old. He wanted to plant potatoes. His only son, Babu, his son's name was Babu. He was only one his child, but his son Babu, who used to help him, was in prison. The old man's son Babu was in prison. The old man wrote a letter. The old man wrote a letter to his son describing his condition. How was he feeling? He wanted his son to be with him. He wrote the letter, "Dear Babu, I am feeling pretty bad, much worse than the days when he was with him. Dear Babu, I am feeling pretty bad because it looks like I won't be able to plant my potato garden this year. In the previous years, you used to help me, but this year you are not with me, so I won't be able to plant my potato garden this year. I want potatoes for the rainy season. During the rainy season, I have to use the potatoes from the garden. I am getting too old to be digging up the garden plot. If you were here, all my troubles would be over. All the problems of planting potatoes would be over. You should help. So I want you to dig the plot for me." The old man wants his son to dig the plot for him. Here is "Love, Dad." He writes a letter. A few days later, the old man received a letter from his son. The old man received a letter from his son. Received means here got, returned, found. A letter arrived to him from his son. His son has written a letter to his father. And he has mentioned here, "Dear Dad, for heaven's sake, Dad, I don't dig up the garden. That's where I buried the dead bodies. Love, Babu." Here I am going to repeat the letter by his son to him once again. "Dear Dad, for heaven's sake, Dad, don't dig up the garden. That's where I buried the dead bodies. Love, Babu." Here, dear students, you might have got the meaning. Why was he in prison? The police has accused of him for killing some people. He was accused of, so he was kept in prison by the police. So he was unable to help his father. From the prison he has mentioned, so, "Dear Dad, for heaven's sake, Dad, don't dig up the garden. That's where I buried the dead bodies." He mentioned so. And here, the next morning, early, here at 4 a.m., before the sunrise, the police came to the old man's potato garden. The local police came to the old man's potato garden. Here is a photo, but it might be unclear because it is black and white. If it had been color, it should be very clear to you if you are watching video. But you are just here, you are just listening to me. The local police arrived to the old man's potato garden and begin dig all around his potato garden. Here it means the local police showed up and dug up the entire area. Entire means whole, leaving no space, without finding any dead bodies in the potato garden. There were no more dead bodies buried in the potato garden. And after digging up the whole area, they apologized to the old man. They means here the policeman. The policeman did all around the potato garden of the old man and left without finding any dead bodies in the garden. When they couldn't find any dead bodies in the garden, they apologized, or means said to sorry to the old man, or excused. They excused. They asked for an excuse to the old man and left the old man's potato garden. Here, the same day, the old man received or got another letter from his son. Here, dear students, I would like to inform you that the boy who was the son of old man who was in prison has used a trick. He has used a trick to dig up the whole garden of old man, the potato garden of old man, which his father couldn't dig, and he himself could not engage digging in the potato garden because he was in prison. So he used a trick to his father, sending the letter that don't dig up the potato garden because there are the dead bodies which might you get in problem. So I mean to say, and the policemen are also were informed by him about the letter. So the policeman went there and began to dig the entire potato garden. So the next day, the same day, he sent another letter to his father, writing him that, "Dear Dad, go ahead and plant the potatoes. Now that's the best I could do under the circumstances. Love, Babu." Here I mean to say, he wrote a letter while the police completed digging the whole area of potato garden. He wrote his father that I have dug up the potato garden for you, so you can now plant your potatoes in the garden, and what he did, that's the best thing, best action I have done here from inside the prison. He wrote to his father. Dear students, I have completed reading the text. Please once go again for the complete test. You can do it by yourself. Here I mean to say, I want to show you some more words. Dear students, I have asked you some more questions before reading the text. The first question was, so what is the name of the old man's sons? You might have got the answer of the question, that is Babu. Babu was the son of the old man. Will the old man dig the potato garden himself? Here was another question. Here is the answer. You might have got the answer. The answer is no, because he is very old. He was very old and he could not dig the potato garden. Here the third question was, so will the boy help his father or not? Here the question is yes, he will. And the last question was, so if yes, how will the boy help his father? Here he has used a trick and he has made the policemen to dig up his entire potato garden. And I am going to describe some more words here. I am going to write some similar meanings of the words. Here is alone, one word in the text, that is separate with no friends. Troubles, another word, problems, the similar meaning. Pretty bad means much worse than you are thinking of. Condition means situation, existing state. Entire means whole. Circumstances means state, situation or condition. Apologize means to say sorry or to excuse. And received means got or found. Dear students, as we have completed reading the text, please go on through the text and find out the sentences are true or false. The old man wanted to dig his potato garden. Can you tell me, is it true or false? I think you can easily guess it's a true statement. The same, the old man had 3 sons. You might have got the answer, it's a false statement. The same, the old man wrote an email describing his condition. He wrote an email or a letter, you can find out. So here is mentioned email, but in the text you can find letter. So this one is also a false statement. The old man wanted potatoes for the rainy season. Is it true or false? You might have found in your text, the old man wanted potatoes for the rainy season. It's a true statement. And the local people dug up the entire area to help the old man. You might have found it, the police had dug the entire area not to help the old man, but to find out the dead bodies according to the boy's letter to his father. So it's a false statement. Now, dear students, in your textbook you can find 2 exercises to complete it. The first one is to finding out single word. You can see here a place where prisoners are kept. The right answer is prison. The second one is the state or situation, or condition. The word for the meaning is circumstances. The same, put under the ground. That is the word, single word, buried, and got something is received. Here I have completed exercise 1. And just to say exercise 2, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. It's mainly based on your textbook. What did the old man want to do to dig his potato garden? The old man wanted to dig his potato garden. How many sons did the old man have? The old man had only 1 son. Where was Babu? Babu was in prison. Why did the son tell his father not to dig up the garden? Exactly, it was a trick by the boy to dig because he made up a plan. Someone else, here policeman, else dig the garden for him. And the last question is, so why did the local police dig up the entire area? To find the local police dig up the entire area to find the buried of dead bodies according to the boy's letter to his father.